so they sent me a pair of underwear. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in my lap. We'll just address that up front so you're not like, what's going on there? She's got a lot of stuff in her lap. Yeah, I do. I know. And today it is the 7th and last day of November 2018 box week. I can't believe it's already the end of box week. Like seriously, it just started. And so if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. Box week is the best week every month. My channel is the 1 week me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. So if you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so tonight we're going to be opening up a box. Another one that I honestly have like should have canceled, but I haven't because I don't want to say lazy. I've just been busy to the point where like I have not been changing out boxes like I should be. I also have it on here upside down because the label's on it, but today I'm going to be doing the, and trying not to show my address. Where's my address? There it is. The Macy's Beauty Box. Macy's monthly subscription service that Macy's department store does. It's $15 per month. So this subscription's kind of honestly been on my list, and especially after something that happened to me last month. So every month they give you a little card, I'm going to show you in a second here, where they give you like $5 or $10 off a beauty purchase. And usually it's like you spend the $5 and you get free shipping and you're good to go. Well, last month they would not let me get anything that was like $5 or $10. Like it kept wanting me, I think, to go like to a higher price point and would not let me purchase anything, even though it says like it's just like $5 off, and didn't really specify any change in that. So that was kind of frustrating to me. We are going to be putting some items into our stockpile giveaway, which is right here. This box we're filling up over the next couple of months. Once it's full, hopefully it'll be full next month, we will give it away. So there's that. I'm going to put this down here so I can pull out the ingredients inside this box since I kind of didn't open this correctly. So every month Macy's gives a bag. It says Glam Goals. Okay, this bag's actually pretty cute. I like the bag they gave out this month. And then they give you this little booklet here, like I said. So it says you get $5 off your next beauty purchase like that. And usually you can spend like $5 or $6, whatever, and then you get your $5 off your purchase and free shipping. Last month, that was not the case. Every time I tried to purchase anything, it was like, that doesn't qualify, that doesn't qualify. So I don't actually know if they changed it. I don't know if I got maybe just a bad coupon or something, but it was really frustrating to me last month that I couldn't use it on anything for $5 or $6 or whatever. Especially since this already cost $15 for this bag. All right, so right at the top, oh, it's Way Cool Befitting Bikini from size small to extra large. Did they send me underwear? That's awkward. That's weird. Did they seriously send underwear? Okay, so they sent me a pair of underwear. I don't like, are you serious? Like, that's just odd. Well, I guess I got a pair of panties, so I'm not even gonna recap that in the recap. That's weird. Like, I'm sorry, but that's super weird. Like, panties, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm sorry. That's a weird thing to me. We got a couple of fragrances. We got Sauvage by Dior and Miss Dior. So I'm actually not going to be spraying these fragrances tonight because last night I tried a fragrance in my room and it like, I started getting like really itchy all over, so I don't know if I'm having allergic reaction to stuff right now, so unfortunately I'm not going to try these, but there's 2 fragrances, so there's that. I just was like, it was really weird. Like I literally tried a fragrance, I sprayed it, and then all of a sudden I was like, I was itchy all over everything. Like I thought I was going to break out in a hive, so I'm going to kind of chill on trying new fragrances just for right now. Alright, so what we have here first, oh, the Ritual of Ayurveda Balancing Body Cream, Indian Rose and Himalayan Honey. Okay, so this is actually a generous size hand cream. Listen to me, I was talking all this like weird stuff about Macy's, and they're actually coming out with like interesting stuff this month. So here's the problem that I have noticed with Macy's. They'll do this, like they'll have like a month where you're just like, oh my god, look at all this cool stuff, and then a month later they're like, back to samples. So Ooh, I like the smell. That's pretty. I'm keeping the hand cream. I need hand cream right now. And I have seen this stuff online before. It's supposed to be like a really nice brand of stuff. So I'm excited that they actually put that in there. I think it's really, really cool. Next time that we have is Modern Matte Powder Lipstick from Shiseido. Exotic Red. Okay, let's open this up and see what this is. This is kind of an interesting little box here. I'm actually kind of impressed because honestly, like one of my biggest pet peeves with Macy is the same issue I have with like Sephora, where I often feel like they give you items that you could get as like a gift with purchase. And I'm like, what is the point of having the subscription if you're going to constantly give us stuff that we could already get if we just bought something from you in the first place? So I think it's good if they're actually going to be stepping it up and doing stuff like that in the future. I'm trying not to jack this up. Okay. That is a really, really, really beautiful red lipstick. And a really, really good size too. I'm actually going to put this away and I'll put this into the giveaway box. I have a lot of red lipstick. I don't even think you know how deep the red lipstick collection of mine goes. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway box for somebody to win. I just wanted to show you guys what color it was. I didn't touch it or anything. So that's going in the giveaway box. That's actually really awesome. Next thing that we have is Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. I think I just got this in a box recently. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway box as well. So the hydrating jellies are always kind of weird because one of those things where I feel like you have to be careful with it because it's not like a moisturizer. So you want to use it with like a moisturizer, but you don't want to use it so much to the point where your skin starts breaking out because you overhydrate. That's what's so hard about having like the weather changes because you don't really know what to do for your face half the time. All right, next thing that we have is Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. So this is Smashbox Primer Stick. I'm going to actually put this in the giveaway box too. It's sealed up, so I'm going to leave it that way. I have a lot of foundation primer right now. So I'm going to put that in there as well. And then finally, it looks like we have Superhero Liner from It Cosmetics. So this is like a black eyeliner. I'm going to keep this because I don't think I've ever tried this eyeliner from It Cosmetics. I think I've tried the mascara from them, but I don't think I've tried their Superhero eyeliner. And I'm interested to see, first of all, what, okay, so it's definitely like a felt tip liner. It's just a regular black eyeliner, but I'm always interested in trying some of these because one thing I've realized with felt tip liners is some of them wear out sooner than others. Also, I've noticed like depending on how they do like the actual tip of it can depend on like the kind of like application you're going to have. So I'm going to keep that, try it out and see how I like it. Overall, I'm actually really, really impressed with this box this month. I was honestly, well, except for the underwear. Come on, that's just... I don't know. I think the underwear thing is just weird to me. I'm not sure. I'm actually grabbing like the little booklet thing really quick to look at it to see like what the deal is with the panties. Okay, fitted lightweight bikini in nude made from Pima cotton. This bikini is breathable, comfy, and sleek foundation to your holiday party outfits. Okay, so they sent it to you because it's supposed to be a good like nude pair of underwear for like a sexy holiday dress. So for that, I guess it's cool. I just feel like that's kind of weird and presumptuous. And here's my other issue with that. So with being a girl who used to be 400 pounds, I don't like when stuff like that comes in these boxes because like honestly it says like it's a size small to extra large and I don't think that it would fit a lot of different body types. So that's my only feedback. I'm not trying to sound like a jerk. I'm just being honest. Like I've always like hated like forever like the one size fits all, the presumptuous like item of clothing since I was a bigger girl for the greater majority of my life. So that's something that always kind of like rubs me a little bit the wrong way just because I'm like, yeah, but what if there's a girl who can't fit that? So now she's got these underwear. She's again reminded that she doesn't fit these underwear. And you also gave her underwear. Like, come on. So to recap this, we got the underwear, which are on the floor because I threw them dramatically. I know, sorry. We got the It Cosmetics Superhero Liner, which is right there on my hand. We got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now that's honestly kind of the smallest little thing in there, just like size-wise. We got the Ritual of Arevida. Can somebody tell me how to pronounce this? Balancing Body Cream in the Indian Rose and Himalayan Honey scent, which I liked a lot. We got the really generous size Shiseido lipstick, which I'm going to be putting into the giveaway box as well. The Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, which is also going into the giveaway box. And I think that's everything. We also got the two fragrances, which I'm not trying just because like had issues. So overall, I'm actually really impressed with this. I think that they gave out a lot of items. I do like that they went for variety. So I mean, I think it's cool that they actually, it's like the underwear thing. I'm still hung up on that. I still can't get over the underwear thing. I think it's cool that they decided to do something that was a little bit different, to step outside the box. I just feel like it's still a little bit weird. So I don't know, overall, I'm actually happy with it. It will live to see another month. I do still need to cancel the Sephora Play box though. But overall, I am happy with it. So I can't believe it's the end of box week already, but don't worry, I'm gonna have a couple more videos coming out soon. Some fun stuff for you guys. Otherwise, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it's down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video. Join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, had an amazing life, and I'm so thankful I got to spend the last week with you guys. I love you so stinking much. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. 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 Currently have a lot of shampoo and conditioner in my house for myself. Right now we have the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Genius Normal to Dry Skin.